Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out this precision color pencil from the brand 19/99. And I got this in the shade Lustro. So basically it's like a little highlighter pencil, which I thought was so fun and different. This is actually the product that I chose for my March 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag. So if you have not seen my unbagging of that, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. But I seriously feel like Ipsy introduced me to the best brands this month. So I was not familiar with the brand 19/99. So I was just looking this up online to kind of figure out what this brand was all about. And I thought 19/99 must have been like about the year 1999, but no, it's actually talking about how their products are geared toward ages 19 through 99, which is so cute. So this is from their website. It says, "We make high-performance, multi-purpose products designed for all skin tones, textures, and stages of life from ages 19 to 99. We believe that makeup is a tool of expression, not correction." That's so sweet. And looking at the products that they have, they look really beautiful. So many different shades of the pencils. And this is full size. It retails for $26. It's the type of pencil that you need a sharpener for. So I want to start out with a swatch. Ooh, very pretty. Like exactly like it claimed, a champagne metallic shimmery shade. And I'm kind of blending it with my finger to see how that works. Seems pretty creamy and blendable. I basically want to try this out everywhere that I like to put highlighter. So first, I feel like this will be such a great brow highlight. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that out. The only thing is it's a very like skinny pencil. So I feel like it would be a little bit easier to apply to highlight areas if it was more of a chubby stick pencil, but it just takes a little bit longer. You just need to draw in a little bit more to get those areas. I don't know though. It's actually not showing up that much. It's not super reflective the way I like a highlighter to be. I mean, you can see it, it does something, but it doesn't look super smooth. It actually looks kind of dry, which is weird. All right, I'm gonna try maybe in the inner corner. Seems like this would be good for the inner corner. But once again, like, it's just not bright enough. It's not very sparkly or shiny. I just feel like it's not doing too much. Let's see if I apply it like to the eye. I mean, no matter where I apply it, it's not like it's really gonna change. I mean, it looks so subtle, the way the color and the pigment shows up, that it's kind of like applying nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on the waterline. I just feel like it's not sticking at all. Yeah, that didn't do anything to the waterline. Let's just go all out and try it on the cheek. Like now, as I'm drawing it on in a bigger area, I can really see what it looks like. And it's just very interesting because it looks dry on the skin. And I'm very big into the texture of a product and how it looks on the skin. Yeah, like it creates texture, it emphasizes texture. I feel like it's like settling into my pores. And I'm applying a lot, and it's so subtle and textured. It just doesn't, it's not looking good anywhere that I'm applying it. Ugh. I'm very bummed because I really wanted to love this. Let's just seriously try everywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some to my lips. I mean, like, I love an ombre lip. And I'm wearing basically like a tinted gloss right now. And that looks okay. Just to kind of lighten the center of the lips. But it's still like, it's emphasizing the texture on my lips and looking dry on my lips, and I do not want that. So basically, I have to declare that this product was a failure for me, and I just can't find what use. No, definitely not for my cheek, because the texture, the dryness really bothers me. The brow bone, once again, like, I feel like that texture and dryness just ruins it, and it's not quite reflective enough. Inner corner, no, not bright enough. Waterline, it completely is gone from the waterline. I'm stumped on how to use this. So if you have any ideas, definitely let me know in the comments down below. And maybe it's just this color that wasn't amazing for me. But if you've tried any other 19/99 products, I would love to know your thoughts on them in the comments down below. But as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.